We've all experienced this. For some of us, it's an everyday occurrence. Someone in your meeting is talking incessantly and doesn't know they're on mute. It's easy enough to do, but it can make you look bad and it can induce rage in your co-workers. Chronic face palming is a real condition. Look it up. To toggle mute on Microsoft Teams and Zoom, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift and M. To do the same on Google Meet, you can go Control-D. Of course, if you have a Elgato Stream Deck, this is a great opportunity to create a button to mute yourself on whatever platforms you're using. Go to the Stream Deck application, find the hotkey option from the System category, drag it onto one of these empty spots. We can give this a title. I'll call this one Mute. If you click down to where it says Hotkey, it'll start observing your keystrokes. So I'll go Control-Shift-M and we're good to go. Now, whenever I want to mute or toggle mute, so mute or unmute myself, depending on the existing status of my sound input, my audio input, my microphone, I can sort of click that button on the Stream Deck. Optionally, you can actually come in here and set a different icon for that as well if you like. So that can be incredibly useful.